Garuda, the divine vahana of Lord Sri Maha Vishnu, the eternal traveler across all worlds, the protector of every journey I ride. This motorcycle is no longer just a machine. It now carries the spirit of Garuda. Sometimes, a journey becomes more than just a ride. Sometimes, the road leads you to something greater. High in the silent mountains, where the wind carries ancient stories, I stopped at a temple of Lord Vishnu. Not for adventure, not for speed, but for a moment of peace. In that quiet place, I bowed my head. And in that moment, something changed. Because Lord Vishnu never travels alone. Where Vishnu goes, Garuda flies. The king of the skies, the guardian of the path, the one who sees every road from above. I started the ride again, the mountains stretching endlessly ahead. The bullet thumped through the valleys, each beat echoing through the cliffs. But the mountains have their own dangers. Suddenly, the earth moved. For a moment, time stopped, and then the falling rock was pushed away from the road. Dust filled the air. The mountain fell silent again. And above me, Garuda circled the sky like a protector. In that moment, I understood something. This ride was no longer just a journey. This machine was no longer just a motorcycle. This was a companion of the road, a traveler between worlds, a rider of all paths. That day, I gave my bullet a name.
Garuda, Sarvaloka Sanchari.
Garuda, Sarvaloka Sanchari, the traveler of all worlds. And from that moment on, every road I ride has a guardian in the sky. From that day forward, this journey was never mine alone. Through silent valleys, through endless mountain roads, through storms and rising suns, I ride with faith. The thump of the bullet echoes through the mountains, like a heartbeat of the road itself. And somewhere above the clouds, Garuda still flies, watching, protecting, guiding the path ahead. This machine is not just steel and chrome anymore. It carries a name, a spirit, a blessing. Garuda, Sarvaloka Sanchari, the traveler of all worlds. And as long as the road stretches beyond the horizon, this journey will continue. Garudai namastubhyam, Sarvaloke vahanam. Vishnu priyatamam, Devam namami, Garudhvajam.